This right here, this is what I'm going to try on this today. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. As you can see, I have another product in my hand. If you saw my last video, then you might know what it is. So what we're going to get into is another product from Annabelle's Perfect Blend. So today we are trying the Cactus Mask, and as you can see, we have this in a nice 8-ounce bottle. Look at that beautiful calming green color. I'm ready to see what it does for this hair I have up underneath this plastic bag. So if you're ready to see that, give me a thumbs up. Now that you checked me out, go ahead and make sure you subscribe so you keep seeing my face on your feed. Give this video a thumbs up if you like hair care videos in general, and get ready to leave me a comment. So let's get into this. So as you saw, I opened it up. You saw a little bit of the texture. I can tell you this is nice and smooth, creamy, soft. It doesn't feel super duper like heavy and thick. It does feel like it's gonna have some slip, but I won't know for sure until I try it on my hair. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. And I use one of my more clarifying shampoos because I had a lot of, buildup and stuff. And I like to start, super bare. So my hair is not even fully detangled. So let's see what this does when it touches my hair. What I'm looking for is to see if it's going to help detangle my hair. And I'm just interested in seeing what a product with cactus in it will do for my hair. And somewhere on the screen I will list some of the benefits of using cactus as an ingredient in hair care. Let's see here. So directions, it does say apply to clean damp hair, leave on up to 30 minutes, rinse thoroughly, use with or without heat. Okay, so I'm going to use mine with heat, and what I mean is I'm going to put that same plastic bag back on my head once I have this in it and let it sit probably for the full 30 minutes underneath my thermal heat cap. So let's go ahead and let's see what this looks like, and I'll be back at the end talking just like this, or as in the voiceover, depending on how much noise is in the background, and we'll talk about what it does. Okay, so one side completed as far as the application and detangled. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and sit underneath this thermal heat cap in that same plastic bag for about 30 minutes, and then we'll be back. Nice and detangled and soft. And a little bit of stray hair still coming out, but I needed that detangle. Now time to wash it out. Okay. I can tell you right now, my hair ain't thirsty no more. My hair feels soft. It feels hydrated, moisturized. And you may not be able to see it, but I feel like I can feel more of my texture, if that means anything. Like the waves and curls, like I can feel it more. I don't know if that even makes any sense. That's just what I feel when I feel my roots. I can feel those waves and those curls in my roots all the way down to my roots. And I like that feeling. I love that feeling. So now I can go in with whatever I decide to do. But I like this. Y'all, I used something with cactus in it. Cactus literally was on my hair and it seeped down into the strands of my hair. Cactus, y'all. Wow. See, look at that. If you can see it. My hair feel good. I like it. And the shampoo I used prior to this, it wasn't an Annabelle's Perfect Blend shampoo. It's one of my dandruff shampoos. And so it's a little bit more stripping and get rid of dandruff and everything. So it can be kind of rough on the hair. And to go in and use this cactus mask during my deep conditioning session, it brought it all the way back. So we have one product down from my last Annabelle's Perfect Blend haul. Which one do you think I should use next? Might be this one. I don't know. Might be my other deep conditioner. I don't know. Or it could be one of your suggestions. So if you enjoyed this video, if you learned anything, if you found your hair match, if you found your hair inspiration, if I have motivated you to go wash and condition your hair now, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Yes, that thumbs up means you like this video, which will tell YouTube that, you know what, maybe push this out to some more people. Maybe some more people might be interested in this channel, so make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe, go ahead and do that. Get that out of the way. Be proud of yourself that you did something new and tried something new this weekend or whenever you watch this. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you would like to see on this channel next, whether it's hair care, lifestyle, whatever it is. Let me know. I'm interested in your ideas. because if you haven't noticed, I've been using some of those ideas. So I listen to y'all and I read each and every comment. I respond to 99.9% of them. Anyway, I'm done with this. I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but make sure you check out the description box. I always have plenty of links, things in that here. This is not sponsored or anything like that, but if you're interested in checking Annabelle's Perfect Blend current Black Friday sale going on right now, and Cyber Monday is right around the corner, and this is of the year 2022, depending on what year you watch this, you know, check it out. Other than that, that's it for now, roses. I will talk to you later.